I'm thinking of giving more room to my peach plant. Estoy pensando en darle un poco más de espacio a mi planta esta. And I'm gonna use this bottle of milk. So I'm gonna probably cut it right here. I'm gonna keep this in case I wanna use it for something else. See, if I didn't have this, I could use this instead. I'm gonna add also some lava rock in the bottom. Ponerle un poco de esta piedra lava to give an extra layer para que tenga una capa más. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna use this like this. I mean, I could do this. I can see the level of water to have it right there. Yeah, this could work. That's what I'm gonna do. This to give it more room. See, I had it like this. It's kind of like dirty and everything, but this one worked pretty good. It was like this for like since June actually. Estuvo así desde junio. It was a very tiny plant, and I always had this reservoir water, so this one really works. Probably gonna throw it away now because it's all full of fungus, but or I can actually leave it for some dirt. Actually, that becomes like almost like a self-watering pot. Se transforma como en uno de estos maceteros que se pueden regar de forma automática. Just gonna add water to this. I use tap water right away. I've always done that, and it's been perfectly fine. Siempre uso agua directamente de la llave y no he tenido problemas. So yeah, basically what we want is the level of water to be till there, constantly, maximum till there, so the roots are not floating in water. Yeah, that's enough. See, you could even put like a mark with like a pen or something there. Pretty good. Okay, that was this video. Nos vemos, chao. See you bye.